All right, picture this for a second. You're sitting at a dinner table, and right in front of you is a giant, juicy steak. But here's the twist. It's not beef, not chicken, not even exotic alligator meat. It's dinosaur. What would happen if you actually tried to eat it? Would it taste like chicken? Or would it be completely inedible? Could your body even handle it? Today, we're diving into one of the weirdest questions ever. What happens if humans eat dinosaur meat? And trust me, the answers are way stranger than you'd think. Now, of course, dinosaurs went extinct about 65 million years ago. So no, you can't just walk into a restaurant and order a T-Rex burger. This whole idea is purely hypothetical and for fun. But still, it's worth asking. If somehow frozen dinosaur meat was discovered and cooked up, what would really happen if someone tried to eat it? Let's break it down. So let's start with the most obvious question. What would dinosaur meat even taste like? Well, dinosaurs are technically reptiles, but many of them, especially the theropods like T-Rex, are actually more closely related to modern birds. That means if you were to take a bite of dino steak, it probably wouldn't taste like lizard or crocodile. It'd be closer to chicken or maybe turkey. In fact, some scientists jokingly call chicken the dinosaur you can eat today. So yeah, your first bite of dinosaur might feel oddly familiar. But here's the thing, taste would be the least of your worries, because if you actually tried to eat dinosaur meat, the real problem wouldn't be the flavor. It would be what's hiding inside the meat itself. See, dinosaur meat wouldn't just be old, it would be ancient. We're talking millions of years. Any tissue that somehow survived that long would be crawling with bacteria, parasites, and all kinds of toxic breakdown products. Even if you cooked it, a lot of those compounds wouldn't just disappear. Some would still be harmful, and others could be downright poisonous. Imagine biting into a steak that's been rotting not for a week, not for a month, but for millions of years. Yeah, not exactly a five-star meal. Scientists say that the proteins and fats in meat break down over time, leaving behind things that are basically inedible. Your body wouldn't know what to do with them, and you'd probably end up with severe food poisoning, or worse. But wait, before you think this is all just theory, here's something wild. People have actually tried eating ancient meat. Frozen woolly mammoths were discovered in Siberia, and a few brave souls decided to taste them. The reviews? Absolutely terrible. Rotten, smelly, and definitely not safe to eat. So if a few thousand-year-old mammoth is already disgusting, a 65-million-year-old dinosaur would be way beyond hopeless. So here's the big question for you. If it was totally safe and possible, which dinosaur dish would you want to try first? A giant T-Rex steak, a Brontosaurus burger, or maybe raptor wings? Drop your answer in the comments. I can't wait to see which dino ends up on your imaginary dinner plate. That's it for today's question, but hey, if you enjoyed this, smash that subscribe button and join us for the next crazy experiment. You don't want to miss it.